Hello everyone! This is Janet ng Pinoy Cooking Recipes. Let's make homemade cream cheese. Only 3 ingredients to make. Let's begin. In a medium saucepan, boil 4 cups water. Reduce heat to medium, then add 1 cup powdered milk. I use NIDO brand, but if you will be using other brands, make sure to follow directions on water and milk ratio. Continue stirring, then bring to a rolling simmer. Gradually add 3 tablespoons vinegar, 1 tablespoon at a time, in 1-minute intervals. So hindi ko hinalo kasi ayaw ko silang istorbohin. Cook nyo lang hanggang mag-solidify ang milk at maghiwalay sila. Walang forever. Lay a sieve which is cloth over a medium bowl. Pour nyo lang para masala. Then, do not squeeze. Now, that liquid is called whey. Make sure na huwag nyo itapon ang whey kasi marami siyang pwedeng paggamitan. Cool nyo lang for about 15 minutes. Iniisip nyo siguro may vinegar, so bakit hindi binanlawan? Ang cream cheese talaga may konting asin, kaya huwag nyo banlawan. Then transfer nyo lang sa blender or food processor. Blend until smooth. Then add a 1/4 teaspoon ng salt. Blending takes about 4 minutes. Depende sa mixture nyo kung gaano ka-smooth. If your mixture is too dry, you can use this whey. Add about 1 teaspoon at a time. Hindi naman ako nag-add ng whey kasi texture is perfect for me. Saan ba natin pwedeng gamitin ng whey? You can use whey in any baking recipe that calls for water. You can add it to smoothies and shakes to provide vitamins, minerals, and protein. Or you can use it as cooking liquid for boiling potatoes, yams, pasta, or rice. Yun nga, panigsahin kayo. O diba, ang daming gamit. May cream cheese ka na, may whey ka pa. This recipe yields about 3/4 cup cream cheese. No powdered milk? No problem. You can use full cream or full fat milk. Enjoy your homemade cream cheese. More recipes at PinoyCookingRecipes.com. Thanks for watching!